Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some brown black smoky eyes. Now my friends have been asking me to do this look for a while now, but I was extremely occupied with other things and that's why it took so long to make another YouTube video. But hopefully this look is going to be the perfect smoky eye look that you need. So for smoky eyes, the first thing that I'm going to do is take a neutral shade from probably the Makeup Revolution palette that I have. I'm going to take a fluffy brush, take this neutral shade of orange, which is a shade similar to my skin tone. So I'm just going to go over it. Then I'm taking this brown shade and going on the outer corner of my eyes. In this step, I'm going to be using a kajal first. So going on the outer corner of my eyes with the kajal. Now that I'm done with the kajal, I'm going to go over it with a smudging brush. Now I'm going to go over this with my eyeshadow, with a black eyeshadow. So now that I'm done putting this black eyeshadow, I'm going to go again with the brown shade which I was using earlier. So before we finish off the eyes, I'm going to quickly do my eyebrows. On a regular day, I usually just take a mascara and brush up my eyebrows and leave that way. But whenever I'm wearing a full face of makeup and going out for a party or say a whatever get together just to hang out with my friends, I just prefer going with box eyebrows because I think the shape that it gives my brows, I've always liked that. Now I'm using this glitter which is from Nicka Beauty. It's a small eyeshadow palette and I'm gonna go on the inner corners again. Now that I'm done with my eyes, I'm gonna go quickly over it with my mascara. I just love this Maybelline Colossol mascara. It's the not waterproof one, and on a regular basis I prefer using this because it's more healthy for my lashes. Moving on with my contour powder, this one is from MAC and I'm going to take an angular brush and quickly contour my face. To contour my nose, I'm using a small brush. For the blush, I'm using this Mauve Marble blush from Sugar. It's a dirty pink blush and I somehow prefer it over other pinkier shades of blush. For my lips, I'm going with this Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner. It's in the shade Cherry Brown. I'm going to go over my lips with this K Beauty Lip Crayon. I'm going to spray my fixer. This one is from MAC. I prefer using this fixer before using my highlighter. I just feel that it pops up my highlighter even more. So before the setting spray dries out completely, I'm going to go in with the highlighter. Now for my highlighter, today I'm using this one from MAC. It's a very pretty highlighter. So going over my nose. Guys, that was my smoky eye tutorial. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you so much for motivating me to make this video. For the eyes, the glitter part is optional. Smoky eyes in general look amazing, so you can go without the glitter on. I just wanted to glam up my eyes a little bit. Do like it, subscribe to the channel, share the video, comment on it, etc, etc. You know the drill. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.